next time. Today, we have a new friend for today. Our new friend for today is Dobby Dinosaur. Repeat after me, Dobby Dinosaur. This is our new friend for today. Dobby Dinosaur. Repeat after me, Dobby Dinosaur. And his sound is what? D. 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 What this action? This is the action of this sound. D. D. Pretend you are playing a drum or you are beating the drum and saying the sound D. Repeat after me, D. Do the action please, D. D. So, our new friend for today is Dobby Dinosaur. And his sound is what? Yes, excellent. D. 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 Now, let's learn some new words that starts with D sound. We can find D sound in words like what? Think with me. In words like what? Here. Do you know what this picture? Who can tell me what this animal? Yes, it's a dinosaur. It's what? Dinosaur. It's a very dangerous animal, by the way. Dinosaur here starts with D sound. D sound. Another word? Who can tell me what this picture? It's a piece of clothing girls and women wear it. Yes. Do you know? Excellent. This is a dress. Dress also starts with D sound. Dress. Repeat after me. Dress. Dress. Excellent. What about the next word? Do you know what this? Who can tell me what this picture? Yes, it's a musical instrument. Do you know what this? Excellent, KG. This is drum. This is what? This is a drum. Drum here starts with D sound. Repeat after me. Drum. Drum. Excellent, KG. Let's see another word. Wow, what's this picture? Do you know what this animal? It's a pet animal. And all the time, it's barking. Yes, I know this. This is dog. This is what? Dog. Repeat after me. Dog. Dog here starts with what? Starts with D sound. Excellent. What about the next one? Yeah, it's a cute animal or a cute bird. We can see it where? In the farm. Excellent, KG. What this animal or what this bird? Yes, this is dog. Dog here also starts with D sound. We can find D sound in this word. D, D, dog. Excellent. Now, let me show you how to write D sound with the correct directions between 3 lines. Here, let's see how to write the letter D with the sound D with the correct directions between 3 lines. But first, KG, remind me, we have 2 cases, the uppercase and lowercase. We write the uppercase from line number 1 till reach line number 3. And the lowercase, we start the lowercase and write it from line number 2 till reach line number 3. Let's start to write the uppercase of this sound. The uppercase here, I'll start from line number 1, like this, and go down till reach line number 3, and get up back, then go round till reach line number 3. One more time. the uppercase, I'll start the uppercase from line number 1 and go down till reach line number 3. Then get up back again and go around till reach line number 3. This is the uppercase. Let's write the lowercase. The lowercase, we start always from line number 2 till reach line number 3, like this. I'll start the lowercase from line number 2 and make a round till reach line number 3, then go up till reach line number 1. This is a trick because it has a long neck, okay? And then go down till reach line number 3 and make a flick. One more time. I'll start the lowercase from line number 2 and make a round till reach line number 3, then go back up till line number 1 because it has a long neck, then I'll go down till reach line number 3, then make a flick. This is the lower case and this is the upper case. Okay? Now KG, I want you to apply this in your notebooks. Write the letter or the sound here in your notebook with me. I start the uppercase from line number 1, go down till reach line number 3, then up and round till reach line number 3. Write the uppercase. And write the lowercase. We start the lowercase from line number 2, round till reach line number 3, up till reach line number 1 because it has a long neck, then go down till reach line number 3 and make a flick. Now KG, let's learn the positions of letter D or sound D in these words. Here, what is this picture? It's a doll. Excellent. Doll here, the sound here comes where? At the beginning of the word, or in the middle of the word, or at the end of the word. Think. Yes, excellent. The sound here comes at the beginning of the word. We start the word doll with the sound, so it comes at the beginning of the word. Excellent. Let's see another word. Well, this picture, this is a crocodile. Okay, this sound here comes where? At the beginning of the word, or in the middle of the word, or at the end of the word. Let's see. Crocodile. Crocodile. The sound here comes in the middle of the word. Comes where? In the middle of the word. Between two sounds here, so it comes in the middle of the word. Okay? Let's see another word. What is the picture?